How to say yes in Hebrew. When not considering words like yes man and names like yes, the translation of the word yes is: the first letter is kaf, and it is decorated with a dagesh. The sound of this letter is similar to the sound of the letter K in English. The letter is decorated with a nikud, tzere, which gives it the sound of the vowel e. Together, ke. The last letter is nun sofit. Sounds like the English letter N. This is a regular nun, and this is its final form, nun sofit. Same letter, same sound, different form. What we finally get is the word ken, like this ken. Not to be confused with the word ken spelled with the letter kuf, which translates to a nest. Different letter, different meaning. Change the tzere to patach and you get kan, which is a base or a pad like in launchpad. So without nikud, it can be read also as kan. When reading nikudless Hebrew, don't forget to consider the context. Talking about the context, another possible translation to the same word ken in Hebrew is honest or sincere, in the masculine singular form. To conclude, yes in Hebrew is ken when decorated with a gesh and tzere nikud. Ken is also honest and sincere in the singular masculine form. Ken with kuf is a nest. Now you know just a bit more Hebrew. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and as always, thank you for watching.